Hi everyone. In the previous lecture, we have discussed about the linkage, and in that part, in the first lecture of linkage, I have already discussed about the linkage group. What is linked genes? Okay, we have already discussed about the linked gene and linkage group. In the next part of linkage, we will discuss about the chromosomal theory of linkage. And a request to all of you that who have not yet seen my first video, and just go to the my channel and see the first part, that is the linkage. And now comes to the chromosomal theory of linkage. Okay, and this theory of linkage that is given by two scientists, that is Morgan and Castell. Okay, Morgan and Castell, they gave the chromosomal theory of linkage. And let's discuss what are the some points that is present under the chromosomal theory of linkage. First point, the linked genes. Okay, what is the linked genes? Linked genes are the genes which are present over the same chromosome. We have already discussed about the linked gene. What is the linked genes? Okay, let me again tell you that the linked genes are the genes which are present over the same chromosome. Okay, this is the first point in favor of your chromosomal theory of linkage. Okay, and the second point, that is the linked genes are arranged in a linear fashion. The linked genes are arranged in a linear fashion. Okay, what is that? If you see the linked gene, one gene will not overlap the position of another gene. As you know that the position of the gene, that is called as locus. The locus is fixed for a particular gene, that is called the linear fashion. If all the genes are present over the same chromosome, are present in a linear fashion, one by one in a line, then one gene will not overlap, but one gene will not take the position of another gene. Okay, suppose this is the chromosome, then this is the gene A, this is the position of gene B, this is the position of gene C, this is the position of gene D, E. They are present in a linear fashion. That is the second point. The third point is that the linked genes can be separated. This linked gene can be separated by a seizure. Okay, what is that seizure? That is the crossing over. The linked gene can be separated by the crossing over. What is that crossing over? As you know that crossing over is the exchange of segment between the non-sister chromatid of the homologous chromosome. Okay, always chromosome that is occurring in pair condition, and these pair chromosome, they are called as what? They are called as homologous pair. And these homologous chromosome, during the time of meiosis, they will undergo the process of crossing over, and in the crossing over there will be exchange of segment between the chromosome or the homologous chromosome. And due to that, what will be happen? Due to the crossing over, there will be exchange of segment between the two homologous chromosomes. Thus, what will be happen? The linked gene can be separated. Okay, and the linked gene can be separated by crossing over. Okay, this is the third point. The linked gene can be separated by the crossing over. Okay, suppose this is the chromosome 1 and this is the homologous chromosome of that chromosome, and here there will be presence of the genes dominant A, B, C, D and E. And suppose these are the recessive gene, small a, small v, small c, small d, small e. Okay, if the crossing over is occur between this chromosome, suppose here the crossing over will occur, then what will be happen? There will be exchange of segment between these two chromosomes. Okay, this part will come to this and this part will come to this. Thus, we will get the result, that is A B, C, D. But here, this E will comes to here, and this will be here, and this will be here. Small a, small b, small c, small d. Okay. Thus, the crossing over can separate the linked gene. That is the third point of the chromosomal theory of linkage given by Morgan and Kester. Okay. So, what happens in case of your crossing over? Suppose this is the chromosome, and during crossing over, they will be extended at a point, or they will join at a point. That point is called as chiasm. Okay. And here there will be separation. This will comes to, and this chromosome will just bring this to it, and this chromosome will bring it. Okay. Thus, there will be presence of the chromosome. Okay. Here this is the chromosome. Here this is the chromosome. But here these are the linked gene. But this is the unlinked gene that is transferred from this chromosome to this chromosome due to the crossing over. All these are the 3 points of your chromosomal theory of linkage. In the next class, we will discuss about the types of linkage. One is the complete linkage, another is the incomplete linkage. Thank you.